or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing end them. To die, to sleep, no more. And by a sleep to say, we end the heartache and 1,000 natural shocks that flesh is heir to. 'Tis a consummation devoutly to be wished, to die, to sleep, to sleep. Perchance to dream. For in that sleep of death, what dreams may come when we have shuffled off this mortal coil, must give us pause. There's the respect that makes calamity of so long life. For who would bear the whips and scorns of time? The oppressor's wrong, the proud man's contumely, the pangs of despised love, the law's delay, the insolence of office, and the spurns that patient merit of the unworthy takes, when he himself might his quietest make with a bare bodkin. Who would fathers bear to grunt and sweat under a weary life, but that the dread of something after death, the undiscovered country, from whose bourne no traveller returns, that puzzles the will and makes us rather bear those ills we have and fly to others we know not of. Thus conscience makes cowards of us all. And thus the native hue of resolution is sicklied o'er by the pale cast of thought. Disregard their currents turn awry, and lose the name of action. Nymph and thy license, fair of fifth,